Now I'll show you how to create an offer on your Facebook page. So go to the page and click on the offer right here. Okay, and in this new window, we can add details as per our offer. We can change the photo of the offer. So let's start with that. Change photo. And I uploaded this nice colorful photo from my computer, and I can add further details. So what kind of offer we can create? We can create discount percentage, discount amount, buy one, get one for discount, spend that much amount, get that much off, or free delivery, or even a custom offer. So let's offer free delivery. So it's a little bit different than our event offer. And now add a description. Okay, so this description is limits you to only 30 characters, so you have to be a little bit more creative what to include here. So I included free delivery. Okay, what have I done? Free delivery. Okay, so free delivery is a title that goes as default, and here we can add something more. So let's do it again. Okay, there we go. So I added on orders over $100 and free delivery stayed in the same position. And then it says on orders, free delivery on orders over $100. So it looks so much better. Okay, let's customize a little bit more. So when does this expire? We can add a description as well. So let's do that. So I believe it goes here. Okay, there's not many, there's no limitation, character limitation, so you can add longer description. And I added get free delivery worldwide on any online order over $100. Shop now. So this is nice call to action as well. We can specify when it expires. So we can do that. It expires next month, end of next month, end of June. The time, let's do 23rd, so almost midnight. Where can people redeem this? So click online. Make sure to add your URL as well, and also specify what kind of call to action you want to have on the button. So you can have shop now, send message, get directions, call now, and save. Depends really on the offer type. However, as we want people to shop with us, I'll just leave it as shop now. And I'll simply click publish. You can also schedule it, but I'll publish it for now. And here we go. It is now posted as an offer, as a normal post, and people can shop now, can go straight to your website and get an offer. And this is how you create simple offer on your Facebook page.